Welcome back, guys. In today's video we're gonna turn this to this right here. What a beautiful body, actually, guys. This is from New Bride and 6 to 7 scale. I just got the body from a trade, actually. I traded my Jeep Cherokee body to this. Everything looks super realistic. Just the downside is just those light bar and those stickers. So my plan is to extend this SCX10 chassis. Let's do it. As you guys can see, I'm only removing the rear components, rear parts I mean, because I'm planning to actually extend from the rear side only, not from the front. I'm using one of these aluminum bars to extend the chassis. I find that having more weight in the front helps to crawl better and more stability. Especially there won't be any rollovers when the weights toward the front. Especially climbing on steep hills require more weight in the front. That way there won't be rollovers from the rear end when it's pushed through. That's how like almost all my crawlers are built, like mostly the gearbox mostly towards the front end, as well as my batteries as well. People may have different opinions. Of course there will be somewhat weight in the back. Okay, so I got this drive shaft set. Look at the product number if you guys want to order as well. AX1232051 RBX10. So this is the drive shaft extension. Unfortunately, that's the wrong part, guys. Very cheap though, that's why I bought it. These are for something axial AX something, but I got this. It was a little bit expensive, but worth it. Every penny worth it. Around $45 from Amazon. Machinely, like you can actually cut the measurements you want, but mine it fit perfectly. I had to just trim a little bit, like 3 millimeters or 4 millimeters. But guys, it's amazing. Straight steel, not aluminum or anything, and a very beautiful product for your project. I'm gonna put the link down below so you guys can purchase it as well for your projects. I didn't show you guys how to attach the body because it depends on your project, but the car turned out super nice and super realistic. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. Like and subscribe.